Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. Today we're going the opposite end of the spectrum compared to the weekend that we've just had. So the weekend that we've just done, we did W7 weekend, which is obviously really nice and affordable. We unboxed gift sets, we did a full face of W7 gift sets as well. I will leave that linked all down below if you want to go check it out, because we did a video on Friday, Saturday and Sunday all doing affordable makeup. Whereas this one, as you can tell by the title and the picture, this is total at the end of the spectrum. This is bougie as. Today we're going to be unboxing the Charlotte Tilbury Mystery Box, and oh my god, it's a good one. If you're wondering, by the way, what lip combination I've got on the LA Girl lip liner in Forever Red. It looks really dark there, but it's actually a very kind of strawberry, pinky, reddy kind of colour. And I've gone with this metallic one from Smashbox on the top. I'm not too sure how I feel about it. This is the Smashbox Always On Metallic Matte, and this one's in the shade Maneater. I just thought I'd try something new for once. But today we're going to be unboxing the £99 Charlotte Tilbury Mystery Box. It's meant to have I think it's like £199 worth of products in it, so you're getting double the amount for your money. And you all know I did the summer one, which was like the £140 one. This one, they kind of brought out 3 different sizes. So they brought out a smaller one, which is the one that I've got. They brought out one for like £110, and then they brought out another one for, I think that one was £140. And each one of them had like a little kind of sneaky preview at 2 of the products that were in it. Obviously, the more expensive the box, the more products that you got in it. However, from the kind of box previews, the one that looked the most kind of exciting was the smaller box for me. So that's why I went for this one. So let's just get straight into it. If you are new here, by the way, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to come back tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas. Now, let's see what's inside this Charlotte Tilbury £99 mystery box. So obviously, as always, you got the little samples for free as well. So you got a little sample of the collagen lip bath, like literally just like a little sachet for you to try, and then a little sample of the Wonder Glow one as well. I've got this in full size and I probably won't use this, so I'm going to put this in for like giveaway prizes for you guys instead, for you to try some things out. Even obviously it's nice just to try, even if it's just a little sachet, it's nice to try it. But in this actual box, it came with 7 products inside. I'm buzzing. So I'll start with the 2 things that you knew for certain that you were getting in your box, because obviously these were the sneaky previews. So the first thing is the luxury palette of matte. This is the colour-coded eyeshadows. So it just looks like this. I love the fact that this was a full matte palette and the colours in it just scream me. So this is the Desert Haze palette, and look at them colours. This is the kind of palette that you could literally reach for every single day, and you can shove on any kind of shimmer. You can put your highlighter on as an eyeshadow, or you can literally just have a gorgeous matte eye look. I am so excited, like over the moon. And then the other thing that we had a sneaky preview of was the Matte Revolution Luminous Modern Matte Long Lasting Lipstick. So this one just looks like this, and this is the shade, I think it was Pillow Talk if I remember rightly. It is, yeah, so it's their classic packaging. I actually don't own any Charlotte Tilbury. I'm just checking. No, I don't own any Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks in this packaging. How crazy is that? Because this is literally their iconic lipsticks. And this is what that box is called. It's called the Iconic, oh my god. It was called the Iconic Mystery Box. So that makes total sense. And this is just what she looks like. Should we do a swatch? I don't want to ruin her, but let's do it anyway. Oh my god, beautiful. I actually have the Pillow Talk lip liner as well, so excited. That is absolutely beautiful, and I can't wait to try it with the Pillow Talk lip liner that I've had for like literal years. The next thing that's in this mystery box is another eyeshadow palette, which I did not expect at all. So this is a bigger one. So this is the Easy Eye palette for the Charlotte Darling looks. It says mini eye palette with 2 easy to wear eye looks. So this is what the packaging looks like. Absolutely beautiful. And then when you open up again, I love the fact that it is such wearable colours. Like, that is absolutely beautiful. And that is just what it looks like. I love the fact that it has a couple of mattes in it and also a couple of shimmers. I've just dropped a little thing on the floor, but the little thing inside, it tells you like where to put it and how to go from a day look to a night look as well. So it says, like, for instance, number 1 is to, which way around is it? So number 1 is to prime, number 2 is to enhance, number 3 is to smoke, and then so on. So it goes from a day eye to a day eye, it says on it. Super excited because I haven't had any kind of bigger Charlotte Tilbury palettes before. I've only ever had like the quads, and I think I actually own one of the quads, to be fair. So super excited to try more of her eyeshadows. Next up, we have something from the Pillow Talk line again. So this is the Pillow Talk Lip Luster, and this is a gloss. It just says in the shade Pillow Talk. So I know Pillow Talk now has its own, there's like different versions of it as well. So you can get it a little bit lighter, you can get it a little bit darker. Oh, I've just seen the colour of it. I've not opened these fully. Oh my God, that is beautiful. Oh my God, that is actually gorgeous. So this is a lip gloss. Wow. That is gorgeous. Can you see it along here next to the Pillow Talk lipstick? I love the fact that it is wearable colours, although in my last mystery box I did get a red matte liquid lipstick and I absolutely love it, so I'm game for anything, to be fair. The next one is the Classic Eye Pencil, and this is like an eye powder pencil, so this is in the shade Classic Black. Again, full size. All the products that are in here, by the way, are full size. It's so worth it. So this is just what, oh my God, I dropped everything. This is just what she looks like. I actually really like, oh my God, that is so black. It is like a powder. I'm guessing so it's so you can kind of smudge it out a little bit as well. But I really like their eyeliners, so super excited to try that. I've got some on today, but I've kind of got into black eyeliner recently, especially like my tight line, my waterline. I know the other day I had like a black wing eyeliner on and I absolutely love that. We have another one from the Pillow Talk range. This is the Pillow Talk Diamonds Glossy Starlit Sparkling Lip Look, it says. So this is, let me just have a little look, because it says it's a lipstick, but it's really sparkly, because I've looked at this one already. I have one of these in a different shade from my previous mystery box in the summer, because the summer one was like a glowy mystery box. This is obviously in the Pillow Talk Diamonds, which if I picked any colour from this little range, this would be that one that I would get. So this is what it looks like, and let's do a little swatch. It's just literal, you see it here, it's literal like straight up shimmer, reflective, glossy, and I think it'll just look gorgeous right in the middle of the lip to make like an ombre lip just pop. Oh, nice nude with it. Oh, gorgeous. And I'm so glad it's a nice colour, because I think the last one was like one that I was like, oh yeah, I might wear it, but this one I will 100% wear it, like without a doubt. And then the last one is the Hollywood Beauty Light wand, and this is like a highlighter wand, and this one's in the shade Spotlight, and I got one of these in my mystery box last time. I'm just going to check what shade. Yeah, so it was in the shade Spotlight. So in my mystery box from the summer, this came in it. So this has the Spotlight highlighter with a little mini of the Wonder Glow primer in it. But I'd already bought this last year when I went to Paris in November. So I already had one of these, and obviously then got another one in my mystery box for the summer. And then obviously now I've got another one, and they're all in the same shade. So I'm definitely going to sell this, and I'm definitely going to sell my new one just to earn a little bit of money back from obviously me now having 3 of them as well. So I'll see if my patrons want to buy it off me for like obviously a lot cheaper than what it retails at. But yeah, I'll definitely put that one in my little to sell pile as well, just to earn some money back. I do like it. It's just not something that I know that I would use up a lot and then kind of repurchase. So it's not something that I need 3 of, that's for sure. But still really good if you haven't tried it, to obviously get it in this box. And to be fair, one of the reasons that I didn't pick one of the other boxes is because the sneaky preview product was that, and I thought I bet it's in the same shade, So I thought I'll go for this one because obviously the sneaky preview products were a lipstick and an eyeshadow palette, and obviously I knew that I'd like them. And I was thinking, oh, hopefully I won't get the highlighter again, but unfortunately I did. But obviously that is just how it goes when it comes to mystery boxes. I absolutely love the fact that you can try so much Charlotte Tilbury for a more affordable price. Obviously I'm not saying it's an affordable price because £100 is not affordable. However, it is affordable considering how many things you get to try out. So like 7 products for £99 from Charlotte Tilbury. It's just unheard of. It just really is. So yeah, I'm over the moon, absolutely over the moon. I actually talked Alex into buying the box as well. I just knew for a fact she'd get 4 more if I bought it and she didn't. So I'm so glad that we both picked it up, and Christina picked the same box up as well. So yeah, I'm so glad we all got it because it is unbelievable. Every single time that Charlotte Tilbury releases a mystery box, I would highly recommend you checking them out. See if it's something that you can afford. If you want to have an introduction to the brand, haven't tried the brand before, I don't have much from the brand, I would really recommend a mystery box because the only thing that I've had repeated is that highlighter. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you tomorrow for a brand new video for Vlogmas. I was going to say thank you so much for my Patreons. I love you all so much and I love talking to you every single day. If you want to know more about my Patreon, I would leave it linked down below. There's absolutely no pressure though. If you don't want to do it, that's totally fine. If you want to do it, that's totally fine. But I'll leave it linked down below if you want to check it out a little bit more to see what it is and obviously what it includes and all that kind of shebang. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and I love you. Goodbye.